Shakespeare. IMG. Okay. Financial accounting, general ledger, master data, GL accounts, preparation, define retained earnings account, T59X, and we have made a retained earning account. Okay, that is done. GL account creation, create with reference. Okay, now reference company code will be, this is used when you have more than one companies for one group, okay, and you make your T59X as your reference company code, because you've already configured everything on this, so you want to copy this. So T59 will be used as a destination, as a reference company code. Okay. So let's save it. Data saved. Change individual GL account. We are using chart of accounts data. So in this, okay, T59X, we have made only one retained earnings account, okay, and over here we can, this is the T code FSP0. Over here we can change it if you want to. Edit centrally. We can go and check it. T59X, retained earnings account, okay, control data, we can check those, and that is front end activity, okay. Okay, alternative methods, copy GL accounts, copy chart of accounts. Entire chart of accounts can be copied again. Accounts in chart of accounts, account determination, asset management, CO, HR, SD, all can be copied, okay, from this chart of accounts to this chart of accounts, and this can be copied through OBY7, okay, and this is basically adding to your knowledge. We can also copy company code, okay, company code to company code, and we can OBY2, you can, subsidiaries can be copied like this when you are doing a rollout, okay. Financial statement structures, we can define financial statement versions, and we can also assign statement versions to accounting principles, okay. For example, INT is International Financial Statement Version. Maintenance language is DE. We can change it to English, but we'll not do that. Chart of accounts is INT. Group account number is allowed or not. Functional area is just like segment. Auto item keys. Auto item, I don't know what this is, but this is how financial statement versions can be made and copied as well. Okay, you can make your own as well. So we'll make one, and that will be, let's say, Middle East or UAE. Okay, financial statement version. English will be language. Auto item keys. T59X can be the chart of accounts, or you can reserve it for your own company code. Group account number. Okay, save. T59X. Zubair Saab, don't run SAP right now. Run it afterwards. Assign financial statement versions to accounting principles. Okay. Chart of accounts can be assigned to accounting principles. T code is shown over here. T code is shown over here. T codes are not necessary. It's just for reference only. It's just for short keys. Okay. So new entries, gap, chart of accounts T59X, T59X, gap. Chart of accounts T59X, accounting principle gap. Okay, what does it say? Financial statement version. And let's see, we have T59X. T59X. It didn't find it. Very strange. Financial statement version financials. INT. We will have to make a hierarchy. We'll have to search for the hierarchies. Where is the hierarchy? Anyways, we'll take this up next time. Right now, the next step is very important. Enterprise structure, definition, controlling, maintain controlling area, maintain controlling area. New entries, T59X, bulls bear trading, currency type will be 30 USD. Okay. Over here, chart of accounts and fiscal year variant, if this has to this is coming in controlling area. If a company codes want to integrate with this controlling area, okay, then it has to have this condition met with chart of accounts and fiscal year variant. It should have chart of accounts T59X if it wants to integrate with this controlling area and fiscal year variant K4. In T59X, leading financial statement version, save, INT, INT. Okay. Now, exchange rate type will be M. Save. Next step is OKKP. This is OKKP transaction code. T59X. Double click. Standard hierarchy will be standard hierarchy. It says it is not made. It will give a pop-up. I will say yes to create the standard hierarchy. Then I will go to activate components. Again, yes. New entry. 2024 cost center will be active. Active project sale order cost objects will be active. Variances will be active. Assignment of company codes. New entries. T59X. Okay, activate components and save. Okay, say easy. Come on. Yes, Bilal sir, I will actually give you the notes at the end um, with the description as well. Why do we make these? But these are necessary configuration settings. Okay. Now comes in the next step, that is SPRO, reference IMG, and controlling, general controlling, organization, maintain controlling area. We've already done this. Maintain versions. Zero. Controlling area settings. Lap 9. No, we don't want for lap 9. Ours is OKKS. T59X. SPRO. IMG. Controlling. General controlling. Organization. Maintain versions. This is very necessary step. Why do we do this? Because version is for planning and actual activity, quantity and value, and for product costing. Okay, so this is plan. Then we have group valuation version. At group level, we actually record actual quantities and values with work in process, but zero version captures everything. Okay, controlling area settings. Zero settings for each fiscal year. Integrated planning. Save. Yes. LP01. Yes. Execute. Okay, this is scheduled. Okay, SPRO, IMG, controlling, general controlling. Oh, organization, maintain ledger for CO version. Now, why do we maintain a ledger? Because I'll tell you, CO area is T59X, version is 0, ledger is 0L. Now, 0L is the standard one ledger which is available in SAP landscape, and only one is allowed. Okay, T59X, 900 version 0L, but 900 is not defined for T59X. That's the reason we cannot use this. Okay, and we have three valuations. Group, legal group and profit center valuation. Okay, now what is this valuation about? What are we talking about? Let me explain that to you as well. Okay, CO version, maintain number ranges, maintain versions. 900, controlling area settings. Transfer version to CO area, yes. 900, settings for each fiscal year. Plan actual, it will be actual. And new entries, 2024, integrated planning, exchange rate type will be P. P is standard translation for cost planning. Okay. Version for indirect activity allocation is 0. Okay, which is plan actual version. And you guys cannot be activated copying integrated planning. Okay, it says integrated planning cannot be done. Okay, this is done. So valuation, group valuation, what is this? Let me tell you that now. That's the next step, and then we'll create profit centers. Okay, what is this legal valuation we are talking about? Financial statements, financial accounting, global setting, ledger, ledger defines settings for ledger and currency types. Just understand this conceptually. Even if it seems difficult, it is not. It's because we are setting up ledgers right now. Okay, 0L is the leading ledger. It is a standard ledger. There are other types of ledger, which is extension, which take values from or copy values from standard ledger. Okay. So we can make other standard ledger, but that cannot be leading. Only one is leading ledger. And we'll go to company codes, double company code settings. T59X. Over here, if you see local currency type is company code currency and global currency is USD. Double click and we'll see it for ourselves. Okay. Parallel accounting is allowed and currency type is 30, USD and AED. This is where we actually define valuation at a group level, profit center level, at local currency level or legal valuation level. Okay. Currency conversion settings for company code. Let's see that. New entries T50, T59X. Currency type 30. Currency will be USD. Now this is, we are maintaining that any transaction maintained in any currency will also be translated in USD. Okay. Source currency type will be source currency type will be 00, which is document currency. Exchange rate type will be M, and it will be real time. Translation date will be posting date, because when it is posted in the system, it will then save it. Okay, that's how you do it. Now let's T59X 31 euro 00 standard translation M, which is conversion posting date. Enter. Okay. Group currency, which is 3, and group valuation 1. Okay. Save it. Okay. So that's how you maintain different currencies based on was just one document currency. Now let's get to making some master data for, where is that? Where is that? Oh yeah. Controlling profit center accounting. Oh. Profit center accounting. Basic settings, set controlling area. Controlling area is T59X. Okay. Controlling area settings, maintain controlling area settings, standard hierarchy, standard hierarchy. Local currency for profit centers will be controlling area currency. Okay, activate. Profit center local currency will be USD. T59X. Save. Legal valuation, profit center valuation. Okay, and valuation is will be legal. Okay, already saved. Now, basic settings, master data. Profit center, create dummy profit center. Dummy profit center is for cost centers which cannot be T59X. Dummy. Come on. Is it enough for today, or do you want me to continue?
Enough sir.
Who is saying that? Zubair?
विकास सर हम कर लेंगे ना, थोड़ा सा हमें आइडिया आ जाएगा इस चीज का
अच्छा चलो ठीक है, मैं इधर ही बंद
कि कल हम इंशाल्लाह